discovering abilities, mastering the use of can in short answers. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on grammar fundamentals. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating aspect of the English language: modal verbs for ability, specifically, how to use the word can in short answers. So, buckle up and let's dive in. Can is a modal verb that we use to indicate ability or possibility. But did you know we also use can to form short and succinct responses to questions? These quick responses help make our language more fluid and conversational. In everyday conversation, you'll often hear short answers using can. For example, if someone asks, "Can you swim?" a short answer might be, "Yes, I can," or "No, I can't." Now, let's break this down. When you're responding positively to a question, simply use yes followed by the subject, then can. Can you dance? Yes, I can. However, when responding negatively, use no, then the subject, followed by can't, which is a contraction of cannot. Can he cook? No, he can't. Now, let's get some practice. Remember, the more you practice, the more naturally these short responses will come to you. Here are some example questions. 1. Can she speak French? 2. Can they play football? 3. Can you drive? Try to answer them quickly, using the short answer format we've just learned. Remember, the key to using can in short answers is simplicity. You don't need to repeat the whole question. You just need yes or no, the subject, and then can or can't. Also, while can is an informal way of expressing ability, it's perfectly acceptable in both formal and casual contexts. So don't be shy about using it. And that's a wrap on our exploration of using can in short answers. We hope this has helped you understand and apply this nifty language feature in your English communication. Remember, practice is your best friend. So go ahead and make the most of it. Stay tuned for our next session in the Grammar Fundamentals series. Until then, keep practicing and keep learning. Happy language learning!